Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am down at Johnson Nursery where we are going to do our first run through of a grain experience. I'm super excited to see the fields, but I'm here at the gorgeous garden center. So for those of you who haven't been, this is in Willard, North Carolina, on the way to the beach. And not only are the grain experiences going to be super cool, but you can come and plant shop.
I'm David Johnson with Johnson Nursery, and more importantly, with the Gardens of Southeastern North Carolina. And I'm out here in this huge, beautiful field of rye with Bree Arthur, the plant lady. Bree, why are we standing out here in this field of rye?
I think I'm going to call it a field of Bree's dreams.
Okay.
You know, I've been fascinated with grains. I started growing them in my home landscape, decided to write a book, labeled myself the Crazy Grain Lady.
The Crazy Grain Lady.
And our paths crossed, and you had an interest in doing this, and I just think it's the most extraordinary experience for people to be able to see this essential food source and how it's grown and how you can actually take it and harvest it and create something edible from it.
So we are going to gather on June 17th, and we're going to experience grain to oven with wheat, oats, barley, and rye. We will harvest them like Bree said. We will thresh it, winnow it, and grind it into flour. And then what are we going to do with it?
We're gonna make pizza!
Pizza! I love pizza.
Wood-fired pizza at that.
Wood-fired pizza. So what event can go wrong if it ends with making pizza?
I think this is going to be the epic event of the summer, and near or far, everyone should plan to attend.
The event starts June 17th. It will be for 4 days after that, and we will greatly appreciate your support. You can sign up on the website at Johnson Nursery or through the Gardens of Southeast North Carolina, or you can sign up through Bree.
That's right, I've got it on my website, breegrows.com, and I've been making videos for YouTube, so everybody will know this event is happening, and it's going to be amazing.
Fantastic. Hope to see you there. Thank you very much.
I will tell you, this is the most beautiful thing I have ever witnessed. I cannot believe all the diversity of the different varieties. We've got wheat, barley, oats, and rye growing here. And the garden to oven experiences will be happening in the middle of June. I hope you will consider attending, as they are going to be awesome. It's the first pizza!
First pizza!
Woo! And wait, it was in there for like a minute and a half?
I don't know.
Yeah, if that.
Hold on, let's get it.
Well, I hope that you will plan to attend one of our awesome field to oven experiences. You get to make your own fire roasted pizza. You'll be harvesting, threshing, winnowing, grinding, and then ultimately making your own dinner. Come down and visit the beautiful gardens here. This is at the Gardens of the Southeast, and I have the link in the description so you can learn more about what we are going to be offering. I hope to see you sometime in June. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.